the kind of aggressive ingenuity and creativity it takes to come up with these kind of products starts from the corner office, and to work for a company that gives our teams the ability to take concepts and visions and turn them into money-moving deals. So to that, congratulations.
Hi, I'm Paul O'Shea. I'm Senior Editor for Electronic Products Magazine. And I am here today visiting with EMCO High Voltage Company, and we just presented to them the very prestigious Electronic Product of the Year Award. And I'm here to tell you a little bit about the background of what goes into providing, making sure we select the best possible products out there. What we do is we start by asking a lot of the people, companies that we know to provide us with information about their best products, and we get hundreds and hundreds of them. And we spend somewhere in the order of 6 weeks going through all of these products, giving them their just due. And we want to make sure that we get the best products. We have to go round robin among the editors looking at the product. And for the EMCO product, we went back and forth several times with the engineers at EMCO to find different information, different questions that we had, just to make sure that we had indeed a Product of the Year award for the company, and we certainly found it in EMCO. We spent better part of 2 weeks going back and forth with them to find that yes, indeed, they had the performance, they had the design. I like to think of it as they had an elegant design for a really tough problem, and they also had the price. That's pretty much how we do it.
I am Jeff Cook. I'm a member of the EMCO Board of Directors, and I'm excited today for this award that EMCO has received. I think it's indication of EMCO's commitment to innovation and inventing new things and new ways of doing things. And I'm excited that there's more innovation coming, that it's a way of life at EMCO, and something that we can expect to see some more exciting things in the future.
So Mike, how did you dream up this design?
Well, we came out with the Ultra Miniature Q Series about 10 years ago, maybe 15 years ago now. And the customers had one theme, and they were requesting, many even requested lower profile and lower cost. So with that in mind, we developed some unique processes, some vacuum encapsulation technology, low pressure injection molding, and we were able to repackage and upgrade the circuit and come out with a product that's only about 1/8 of an inch above the circuit board, surface mount, and lower cost. We cut a lot of the manufacturing costs out of it. So by laying the part inside the customer's circuit board, the profile above their circuit board, like I said, is only 1/8 of an inch.
So what would you say is at the heart of EMCO's success?
Well, we strive to innovate in order to obsolete our own products before anybody else does. We don't try and match or copy what's out there in the market. We try and push the envelope further and further based on our growing capability, rather than benchmarking against other providers, suppliers.
And how do you feel about winning this award?
Oh, it's fantastic. Yeah, the second time we won it, which is amazing.
Yes.
It's really very exciting. We work really hard developing the products. It's really neat, motivating for the whole engineering team to have our innovations be recognized in such a big way.
Absolutely. What are you passionate about?
Innovation, just innovation, coming out with something that nobody else has thought of, even if it's a simple idea or it's a complex idea. Just innovation is really, that's where the magic is.
And you must be very proud of the team you have built.
Absolutely, absolutely. The whole company is able to unify around our mission, and all the employees are energized from the top to the bottom and back and forth.
Exactly.
Yeah.
And what were the reasons that they said primarily that this design won the award?
Innovation. Yeah, they called it a novel concept.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's something a new approach for mounting a power supply inside of a circuit board, and plus with the circuitry that's inside of it to allow the performance that it provides. We're not sacrificing performance to
Right.
get the small size.
Absolutely. Good.
And it's also lower cost. We really cut a lot of the cost out. We did a lot of effort on DFM, design for manufacturing, and we cut a lot of the cost out of it.
Excellent. Well, very good. Congratulations.
Thank you.
Mike.
Thank you.
Proud of
Yeah,
you.
we're very excited. Very
As,
excited.
as the sales and marketing director, I'm constantly receiving feedback from our customers. One of the requests that has been coming through in the last year is a smaller product to go on a PC board. As we recognize the industry is moving more towards mobile devices and mobile applications, on the PC board, sometimes the power supply is the largest component. Therefore, we needed to come up with a solution that would serve the marketplace. Thus, the AG series was developed. It's an eighth of an inch on top of the board. It subsets itself down into the PC board. Therefore, it can be used for mobile devices and mobile applications.
So my name is Mike Yanto. I'm the Vice President of Business Development at EMCO High Voltage. And I want to talk a little bit about this Product of the Year award on the AG product. If you can see this, the significance of what this does for us is compared to the products that we were developing just a few years ago, the old bread and butter. You can see the advances in miniaturization and how far we've come in terms of going towards more portable markets. In addition to that, what's really kind of cool is it requires an enormous amount of innovation at the design level, and it requires a lot of ingenuity at the design level, and to be able to continue to miniaturize these high voltage products is quite an accomplishment. So, and it speaks to an attitude that we have throughout EMCO, not just in our design teams, but marketing and administrative and manufacturing. Is this is the kind of stuff that we do. This is the kind of challenges we rise up to and make it happen. So it's really exciting for a company our size to be able to do something or to achieve something like this. This award is given by a group of peer engineers who sit down and diagnose the qualities of new engineering electronic designs from all different aspects of the industry. So it's great for our design team because this is their award, and it's from engineers who understand what they did to get to this point. So it's just a good thing.